Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use SelfyzAI. So the first step would be to download and install it. So you can go to the App Store or Google Play Store on Android. Then you search for SelfyzAI and install the app. Then you sign up or log in with your Google account or Facebook. Then upload a photo or video of someone or yourself. Then you tap the plus button to upload it. Then you choose a portrait from your gallery. Then choose a style or feature like AI avatars, cartoon effects, face swaps, AI generated looks like fantasy, anime, or you can choose any theme that you want. Step 5 would be customize if available some modes that you select gender, add text, pick specific filters, and adjust styles. Number 6 would be to generate and download, tap on generate or create, and then wait for the AI to process it. Then, finally, to save the output to your device and share it directly to social media. And that is it. That is very simple to follow. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.